So that comes with the evidence. Nobody is going to believe you on your face value. You need to show some evidences. You need to show progressive evidences. You don't need to show them the complete picture of what could be the endpoint, but you need to show the progressive evidences. For a healthcare startup, it is one step at a time. We showed a bit of what we can do in technology, then we showed a bit of what it is capable of. We showed improved with customer feedback, and that is how our journey was. We started working in Alzheimer's in between, and what we got from those details, we showed it to neurosurgeons, we showed it to neurologists, we showed it to neuroradiologists, and we kept on building on top of it. And that's how the whole system came into place, and it became this amazing, interesting system altogether. So, building the evidences is another part of it. Evidences, validation, and then there is a product market fit, which you will